Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the scoreboard on snake.io. If you want to easily track your rank, your skills, and see who's dominating the match, then you can easily check the scoreboard on snake.io. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the snake.io app on your device and go ahead and play or begin the game. Once you start playing the game, look at the top right corner and then there you will be able to see your current rank, top players in the lobby, their score length, and so on. You will be able to see who's dominating the match, who is on the top and who is on the last. The number of kills and the number of scores will be shown. That's how you check your scoreboard on snake.io and stay aware of your rank while playing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.